This is the opportunity that you can use to move to Europe in 2026. This is going to be a conference which is coming on the 9th to the 12th of July 2026 in Hungary. So if it is your dream to move to Hungary, now you can use this opportunity. Now the name of the conference is International Volunteer Forum. Now this conference is coming on the 9th to the 12th of July 2026 in Hungary. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to Pathway to Abroad. Here, we do videos on how you can relocate to your dream country, either through school, either through visa sponsorship job, through visit, through conferences, and other legal means. If you need me to help you with your visa application, help you with cover letter, itinerary booking, any document that you need for your visa application, you can check the description of this video, or you can check the tag product in this video, and you can book your service from there, or you may be through cv underscore at yahoo.com, and we will take it from there. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be taking you through the website and show you guys how you go about the application. Now this is the website of the company, which is International Volunteer Forum, which I'll pin the link in this video description so you can go there and pick it. Now, as I said earlier, the conference will start on the 9th to the 12th of July 2026. Okay, now let's look at the categories. Okay, application or registration categories. Okay, so let's go on and see the fees involved, and then the benefits that you are going to get from this conference. So the first category is the fully funded. They have a fully funded category. Now under the fully funded category, the registration fee for the fully funded is 17 USD, only 17 US dollars. And if you register under this one, they are going to help you with your visa fee coverage. 4-star accommodation will be provided, meals will be provided, merchandise will be provided, and a whole lot of benefit that you can get from this one, and you will get opportunity to also speak at the conference. Then we have the invitation letter. If only you don't need a visa, and then you only need invitation letter, then you will pay only 99 USD for the invitation letter. Then we have the volume access. If you want to access the volume, which is 250 US dollars, and then these are the benefits that you are going to include: exclusive invitation letter. They will give you invitation letter for you to apply for your visa, and then email to embassy. They also email to the embassy about your application, access to all sessions during the conference, and then merchandise, meals during the forum will be provided, and then speaking opportunity. So under the forum access, you'll be getting the opportunity to also speak during the conference. And then we have the next one, which is the self-funded, which I recommend for you. This is guaranteed. If you register for this, you are going to get your invitation letter to apply for this conference. Now we have 4-star accommodation will be provided, meals during the forum, and then IVF merchandise and welcome kit, participation certificate, and then a lot of benefits that are going to be included. And then they are going to help you to get your visa support letter will be also given to you. Okay, and then they are going to give you the opportunity to also speak if you want to speak during the conference. Okay, now how do you apply? So if you want to apply, just hit on the application, and then it will take you to this place where we have step 2, 1 of 2. So you need to take time and go through all this information that they have provided here, and then you fill the details. So the event is there's the fourth edition. That is the fourth edition, starting 9 to 11th, and then the location is there, which is Hungary. The team: empowering change makers, okay, elevating voices, and then enabling impact. So that is the team for this conference. So what are the details that you need to provide? You need to provide your first name, your last name. You need to provide your email address. Your you confirm the email address, your nationality. You provide your passport, gender, whether you're male or female. Then upload your headshot or DP, that is a picture of yourself, and then you move on to the next stage to continue with the application. So it is very easy to submit your application to attend this conference. If you need my assistance with the application, you can link up with me and I'll help you. But take note, terms and conditions apply. See you in the next video. Bye bye.